let's see, let me check your heartbeat. I'm the doctor. Oh, how this good was. Now what this is, people, this is called a mechanic's stethoscope or whatever it is. I'll tell you what, it's good too. I ordered it off of eBay. You can get shit cheaper than you can at O'Reilly's or, you know, Advance Auto or AutoZone. You can get it cheaper on eBay, so you may as well do it unless it's something you're in a major rush for, you know. When you have to go to work the next day and it's like, oh no, I gotta change my starter. Yeah, you better just go ahead and buy it at AutoZone or whatever. This is a stethoscope. Let's see, it was $10.50 on eBay with tax, or a little less than 12 bucks. Boy, does it work good. I put this on several of my engines when it's running. Man, you can hear all the different sounds. Well, because even the non-sounds, to where an engine is completely quiet, you still hear like a inside of an engine. But anything, you know, like if you have a clanking sound, you think, oh no, man, I hope that's not a connecting rod or a lever. Well, you can put this and find out, oh hell, this clanking's coming from my power steering pump pulley. Oh man, this clanking's coming from my AC compressor pulley. You see? These things are beautiful, man. It's worth the investment of a few dollars, you know, to have one, because you can isolate shit like that. Oh man. And everybody's saying, well, where did Earl go? We're going to hang that back up on the wall. That way shit don't get lost. I'll just hang it up on the damn wall or whatever. But also, ordered some hood struts for my Ford F-150 truck. Because when I'd raise the hood, you know, I'd be checking all the water or whatever, and then the hood would be touching the top of my head. And I'm like, what the hell is going on? And I'd push it up, stand back, and it'd come down like... Here's what was going on. I just got these in the mail. With tax, these came up to less than 12 bucks, people. They're cheap. And they're so easy to install. Okay, here I'm throwing away these pieces of plastic. I've got the old ones in here, you know, for show and tell. Oh, shit. Oh, man. But here we go. Y'all recognize these under your hood. You know, you raise your hood. They're sitting, yeah, sideways like this. Or how would they be from your view? If you open your hood and you stand on by the driver's side fender, you're going to be looking at, wait a minute. Yeah, you're going to be looking at this right here. Okay. See, it has a little ball fitting here. It snaps in there. And then a little ball fitting on here. And you know, these do have little clips. Where is it? One end, I went by instructions I saw in other YouTube videos, and you pry off this little clip, you know, that goes over this and down in there. But then I'm like, oh, piss on that shit. I got me a screwdriver. I just got against it and I'm, come off there, you son of a bitch. And then did the other one, and it did it. It did it. I just propped up a piece of board, you know, on top of the radiator shroud and the inner part of the hood, so it would keep the damn thing from knocking my brains out until I changed those. But see, the other one's the same thing. I mean, you go to reinstall them, just push it on. I did it by hand, just let my thumbs pop, and then this one that goes on the little thing on the fender, pop. Nothing to it. They're cheap. So if your hood doesn't want to stay up, just buy a couple of these stupid things, or like $10 to 12 bucks or whatever. And I noticed these off that Ford truck, they're identical to the ones on my 2005 Lincoln. Same damn thing. But I wanted to share that with y'all. It's not as complex as they make it look in the videos, because they'll be like, first put on eye protection, then put on protective gloves, spray penetrating oil on it, and then take a tiny screwdriver like this one and push in the little notch and pop the holding clamp with. Oh, bullshit. Just get a screwdriver behind it and go, make the motherfucker come off and pop the new ones on. There you go, man. That's the way I got this. Now just pop the new ones on there, and now the hood sits up there, you know. So no more of that baloney. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. And what else do I want to say that I want to talk about? Oh shit, I don't know. I can't remember. Oh, here's something I'd like to put in here. I'm trying to figure out a way to do it. You know, because YouTube has a lot of strict rules. How that me and Pauline, my lady friend, we made love day before yesterday. I wanted to figure out a way, because I want to share that with the guys, you know. I'm a guy's kind of a guy, you know. Hey, to you guys, it was good stuff. She's got padding back there, you know. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Yeah, for a damn 62-year-old, she's padded pretty good back there. Not fat, but, you know, firm. Yeah. But anyway, what else? Oh, having some great old coffee. But I put those fender or hood struts on there about 30 minutes ago. It's only 7:09 a.m. It's just now turning daylight. I don't like the sun. I hate the damn sun. Ugh. Hey, I saw some funny shit, man. I just saw some funny ass shit. People are so damn gullible. A lot of people don't know what gullible means. It means that you're a person, you believe something. If they put it on the news, you just believe it. Or somebody imitating what is mainstream news media. And it shows a woman, she's on there, and she goes, well, kind of like that. And it's like, oh, sorry, audience. Accept my apology. And she's anchor woman. And then it says, to where they could have said, well, you had to call 911. What it is, she had a stroke. And then she gets on there and says, what it is, I went blind in my left eye. And then I just started feeling dizzy. And I couldn't get up after they took me off air. You know, that's a bunch of bullshit. And people down in those comments, they actually believe she had a damn stroke. Man, you know, medical assembly, sure they used to tell my mom that all the time before she died. Oh, you had a mild stroke, you had a mild stroke. And I would tell her, I'd say, Mom, they're just BSing you. It's because you're laying in bed all the time, your blood's not circulating. You know, but she would be, I said, why is it you have a perfectly good speech when you have your miniature strokes? How come your speech is so damn perfect? People, when a stroke happens, you have to relearn how to talk. You have to relearn how to walk. You're going to have face paralysis more than likely. The medical assembly, they BS people to make money. Because once you go to a hospital, you're all scared. Oh, did I have a stroke? Sure, they're going to tell you that. Because the first thing they do, what insurance company do you use? You see, it's all to make money. Okay? Because those people work in hospitals, clinics, they have apartment rent to pay, condo rent to pay, house mortgage payments to pay. Hey, it's all about money, money, money. But that shit's funny. I might post a link to that under my video. And y'all go ahead and click on that. And, you know, if you believe that crap, go ahead. I don't believe it. Because here's something else that's a giveaway. If that was real, and she had a stroke while on the job, if the news station, do you know she could sue them? She could sue their ass. Because she could say it was stress related and being overworked and exhausted. Yeah, that's right. That's how that, you know, if it's a matter of education as to what you know is bullshit or is real in this life, people. It's a matter of education. But anyway, now y'all know how to put on hood struts, you know, whatever. You know, and you could always use a pair of pliers to change hood struts or whatever. Whatever. Anyway, I'm getting ready for another beautiful day here in Houston. Well, if I was out in Houston, it wouldn't be a beautiful day. Houston is a big, ugly, damn city, people. It's full of crime. That's why I like being at home and on the outskirts of Houston, the outskirts. Even though I live in a suburb neighborhood, I'm still on the outer skirts in southeast Houston. Well, anyway, later, and I love you, Jesus Christ. Thank you for another day and taking care of us, me and my beautiful panther cats and the beautiful tiger cats. I love you, Jesus Christ. Yeah, yeah, yeah.